Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make the plural forms of the German nouns. I have already done a video on the articles. Masculine is der, feminine is die, neuter is das. In case if you have missed it, then I am leaving the link of it in the description box. And I suggest that you check that video first and then this video, otherwise you won't be able to correlate the things. Also note that the article in plural in German language is always die, be it plural of a masculine noun or a feminine noun or a neuter noun. Its article is always die. Now without wasting any further time, los geht's! Firstly, I will cover the tips for the plural of masculine nouns, then feminine nouns and then neuter nouns. And then in the end, I will share all the tips in a nutshell. So do watch this video till the end and make notes. Let's begin with the plural of masculine nouns. Masculine article is der. Männliche Nomen enden oft mit e im Plural. Masculine nouns end often with e in plural. Some nouns that have a, o, u, that is a, o, u, also carry umlaute in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel der Tisch, table, die Tische, tables. You can see that there is addition of e in the end in the plural form. Der Baum, tree, die Bäume, trees. Here you can see that there is addition of umlaute as well as e in the plural form. Der Zug, train, die Züge, trains. Der Apfel, die Äpfel. Some masculine nouns that end with er, el, en in their singular forms don't change in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel der Computer, die Computer. You can see that computer is not changing in the plural form, only the article is changing. So based on the article you can identify which one is singular and which one is plural. Zum Beispiel, der Computer ist teuer. Die Computer sind teuer. In the first sentence, the verb is ist because their computer is singular, and in the second sentence, the verb is sind because die Computer is plural. Another example would be der Schlüssel, means the key, and die Schlüssel. Hier sind drei Schlüssel. Der Garten, garden, die Gärten. In the plural, you can see that there is no addition of extra letter, but there is addition of umlaute. Masculine nouns that end with ist, ent in their singular forms generally carry en in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel der Kommunist, die Kommunisten, der Student, die Studenten. Let's move on to the plural of feminine nouns. Feminine article is die. Weibliche Nomen enden oft mit n, nan im Plural. Feminine nouns end often with nen in plural. Zum Beispiel die Uhr, clock, die Uhren. Die Tafel, board, die Tafeln. Die Lektion, lesson, die Lektionen. Die Flasche, bottle, die Flaschen. Let's take these nouns for an example. Die Tafel, die Tafeln. Here the article in singular and plural are same. Now how will you identify the difference? First thing is that the spellings are different, second key will be the context and third key would be the verb. Let me give you an example. Die Tafel ist groß, the board is big. Die Tafeln sind groß, the boards are big. In the first sentence, the verb is ist because die Tafel is singular here, and in the second sentence the verb is sind because die Tafeln is plural. Feminine professions end with nen in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel die Ärztin, female doctor, die Ärztinnen, female doctors, die Pilotin, female pilot, die Pilotinnen, die Studentin, female student, die Studentinnen. Some feminine nouns also end with Umlaute and E. Zum Beispiel die Stadt, City, die Städte, die Maus, die Mäuse. Let's move on to the plural of neuter nouns. Neuter Artikel ist das. Sächliche Nomen enden oft mit E im Plural. Neuter nouns end often with E in plural. It's just like plural of masculine nouns. Zum Beispiel das Papier, Paper, die Papiere. Das Heft, Notebook, die Hefte. Some neuter nouns end with er in their plural forms and also Umlaute plus er. Zum Beispiel das Kleid, Dress, die Kleider. Das Kind, Child, die Kinder. Das Buch, Book, die Bücher. Here you can see that there is addition of Umlaute as well as er. Das Glas, die Gläser. Neuter nouns ending with schen, line in the singular forms don't change in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel das Mädchen, girl, die Mädchen. Das Fräulein, die Fräulein. Again here, based on the article, context and verb conjugation, you can easily identify which one is singular and which one is plural. Some neuter nouns also end with en in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel das Thema, Theme, die Themen. Das Museum, die Museen. Let's understand some other plural forms. Die Nomen, die mit a, i, o, y enden oft mit s im Plural. The nouns that end with a, I, o, y often end with s in their plural forms. Imported nouns, ausländische Wörter also end with s in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel das Foto, die Fotos. Der Kuli, Pen, die Kulis. Der Opa, Grandpa, die Opas. Der Song, die Songs. Die CD, die CDs. I am saying CD because C is pronounced as C and D is pronounced as D in German language. Some nouns in German language are always in their plural forms. Zum Beispiel die Leute means the people. Now I am sharing all these tips in a nutshell and you can quickly make the notes. So guys, that's all for today. These tips are 90 to 95% of the times helpful. Why 90 to 95% of the times? Because you will see exceptions and you will understand the exceptions as we learn ahead. If you find this video informative, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Dankeschön. Tschüss.